You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. This means a record of events year by year, okay? It has double N, so it's a very different word than if it has only one N. The pronunciation is also different. It's pronounced in English as annals. Stress on this first syllable. Knolls. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar. Annals. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.